3 winners, $10 each, 1 week to complete it. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and I've finally reached 3.5k subscribers. This is so exciting. I feel like just the other day I got to 3k subscribers. What a good time.
What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and we finally got to 3,000 subscribers.
But anyways, I'm going to keep this video real quick and short. Thank you so much for all your support. It really means a lot to me. It really helps me keep going and creating better content for all of you guys. So really, thank you so much. And yeah, so like I was saying before, 3 giveaway winners, $10 a piece. $10 a piece. $10 a piece, and payment method through PayPal, Venmo, whatever you guys want to do. So yeah, so usually I do 3 entries, up to 3 entries per person. I'm just gonna keep that going. So for your first entry, make sure to leave hashtag giveaway in the comments down below. I'll try to be, do the best I can, not leave anyone out. Make sure to check my spam folder this time, because apparently that's where everything went. But I'll make sure that doesn't happen this time. So hashtag giveaway down in the comments. For a second entry, make sure to follow me on Instagram. And of course, also in the comments, make sure to tell me that you're following me on Instagram, along with your Instagram account name, handle, whatever it's called nowadays, who knows. And of course, for the third entry is to support me on any of the Patreon tiers, because that really adds a lot more to my channel and it really helps me invest into, getting more cards for you guys, doing giveaways, learning more tricks, and all that kind of good stuff. So 3 entries, hashtag giveaway in the comments, follow on Instagram, and support on Patreon. That's how you get all 3 entries. And the winner of the giveaway will be announced exactly 1 week from when this video is aired, which I'm not 100% sure when it's going to air yet, so we'll see. Again, we'll just cross the bridge when we get there. But anyway, the results will be posted in the community tab. I'm not going to make a video out of it because that takes quite some time. I think it'd just be easier just to put it right in your face. Bam, they're all the winners. And if you guys still want to see a video, then just rewatch one of my old videos. That works. So again, thank you guys for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.